passing on the shoulder, about to wreck out.
Okay, go ahead. I'm coming up to you.
All right, see. We're going 30 east, by the way. Taking 40 east, about to wreck out. 40 east. Still going 40 east on the ramp. We're taking 67 northbound, passing the train.
I didn't see anything come through here, and I've been sitting here for about 30 seconds to a minute. I thought he was still going north, and so I turned around that turnaround on the bridge versus actually going to the bridge.
That's a
Does that help?
Yeah, stop that one.
Approaching St. Luke. He's about to get 440 west now. 440 west now. 23, you get a chance, just hit him. Right now, 440. 440 west now. He's working, so now, yeah. Just got a TVI, failed TVI. I didn't make contact with the vehicle. You're going 440 west. Let's do 40 west. Go 440. Under 30 west now. Commercial Filco. Number 2 lane. Yeah. You're on the road, 30 west now. Get out real good.
Open the door! Open the door!
Open the door!
Open the door! Watch them. Make sure their hands are up.
Keep your hands up!
Are you gonna kill me?
Open the
You're
door.
gonna kill me.
Open.
Put your hands up!
You're gonna kill me. You're gonna kill me.
Put your hands right here.
You're gonna kill me.
Put your hands
You're
right
gonna
here.
Kill me. You're gonna kill
Do
me.
not move.
You're gonna kill me. It's me. It was me who was driving, huh?
I know who's driving.
Hey, stay where you're at.
Pull me up the car.
Get down on the ground now.
Please.
Face down now. Put your hands on your head.
Wait.
Hey, keep your hands up.
My heart. Wait, I have it. Wait.
Open the door.
Problems, bro. Hold on, you can't do that to me, Tom.
Yeah, do not move. Sit back down.
You're gonna kill me. I'm gonna kill me.
Hey!
Nelly! No!
You're gonna let me out like that. Kill me right now.
Shut your fucking mouth.
Kill me.
I got one down on the ground over here.
Where?
Right here on the backside.
Show me your fucking hands. Put your hands down.
I got two more inside here.
Get out.
All right, one at a time.
On the ground. On the ground. On the ground.
All right, get out. Turn around. Keep your hands up. Lay down on the ground. Face down. Put your hands behind your back. Yeah. Right there.
Radius your chest.
Other side.
Up.
Get my phone.
We'll get there in a minute. They're right there.
Hey, who's Mr. Pence? You are? Yeah. Y'all good? Y'all got any outstandings? Y'all
No.
get hurt? Y'all got any outstandings? No. I think I got them too easy.
We got open containers too. Okay. We need to restart our cameras for this.
Yeah, I did for her.
Okay.
So you got somebody in your car?
No, not yet.
That's the driver.
Female?
Yeah.
Yeah.
If you haven't restarted the camera.
Is your wallet? Do you have lights on your hand?
I got some on my driver's side. Yeah. Looks like my bumper too. Yeah, the door there and then the right front of my car.
You already started
Yep.
to stop your camera?
Yeah, I'm about to. Yeah, I'm about to right now.